What's up, guys? This is Xavier, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the quad bike glitch on Jailbeak where it climbs up a building. So this is going to be fun. Let's just get Jailbeak up and running. So this glitch is pretty easy. All you need is an ATV. Oh, we need to go on the private server. Sorry, mistake. So we don't get arrested. Let's get back in Jailbeak. Servers, let's go to Flixen's private server. Okay, that's better. So let's get into this. Yeah, so what I was saying is all you need is an ATV to do this glitch. I recommend it on, oh, what the hell? That's weird on here. Oh my god, that's such annoying. That's so annoying. Yeah, you'll do it one more time. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. Let's try this one more time. See if it works the last time. So, private server's glitching for a little bit. It's like it. So, let's do unknown, so we know it's not going to glitch. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, what I was saying, you need to, yeah, I know. So, well, let's just get our ATV right now. The new ATV. It costs 50,000, by the way. If you want to buy it, it'll be police, so it's not that hard. Let's open the crate, and it works better on computer, but I'm just doing it on iPad because why not? So there we go. So let's go escape and no. Yeah, let's just go. So go to the ATV. So what you need to do is just go this way where I'm going. So you need to follow here and go down here, and you will same way to go if you're getting the Ferrari, but you're not getting the Ferrari, you're getting the ATV. It's right over that little stop over there. So right here. Here we go. Get out. It will spawn either there. Oh, here it is. So yeah, this is the ATV. It costs 50,000. All you need to do is buy that, and let's go to the garage. Sorry, I don't have a mobile garage right now, but someday in the future I'll get the mobile garage. And all you need to do is get level 3 works the best with the engine, but I just like to do the level 5 because why not? So yeah, this car's basically for climbing, as you can see. Climbs so easily, like that. But I would have gone up there if I had the level 5 engine, but still. Let's just go to garage. And Jailbeak's pretty glitchy at the moment, so hopefully this glitch won't get patched. So you can just go into garage. And here we go. So yeah, once you've got the level 5 engine, or whatever engine you need, to do this glitch, I'll just get the best building I think is good to do this glitch, which is this white building here. So you just need to go right here and up about here, and you just need to face towards, but you need to get about this far away from the building, and you need to go like on an angle like this. Ready? So yeah, I wasn't on enough of an angle, and as you can see, it slowly climbs. And if you do it good enough, it will climb to the top of the building like this. And as you can see, we are on the top of a building, and you can do whatever you want, like building hopping, which is really fun. And you can just hang out with your mates, do an intro on top of the building. It's really sick. Up here, if you look down, oh, why not? Actually, why not? I would do a building hopping because it's super fun. So we need to go like this. We get here, so let's do another building hopping. So building hopping is fun as well. It's like parkour, but on an ATV. Like that. Oh, I nearly fell off. Like that. So that's basically the glitch. If you try it heaps of times, I'll try it again. See it like this. As you can see, I'm nearly on top of a building. Some buildings don't work as well, but yeah, as you can see, I'm on top of the building. Yeah, it's really fun glitch to mess around with. Like, you know, like that. It's really fun doing some skills. And yeah, that's basically the glitch. To tell you again, I will make it a bit easier. So you need to get it on like an angle like this. Like you just need to keep adjusting it till you get on an angle, and you need to be about this far away, and you just need to drive back, and you slowly go up the building if I can get it proper. And sometimes you have to correct yourself like that. You go on a building. So you can basically do it on any building you like. It just has to be like big enough, and not big enough. The smaller it is, the easier it is. But it just has to be decently big. Like the bank is pretty hard, but I'll try and do that. And this glitch is really fun to just mess around with your friends and stuff. Oh, that was hard. So the bank is pretty hard to do. If I get it in the right position, it will slowly and really slow. Oh no, we got down. But yeah, that's basically the glitch, guys. If you liked it, please like this video. You don't have to like it, but I'm just saying if you liked this video and it feels helpful to teach you how to do the ATV glitch, please go ahead and like this video and comment down below if it worked, if you want to again, and subscribe and turn notifications for other videos like this if you want me to do more videos. So yeah, that's all it is for today, and see you next video.